Here we go. What floor y'all going to?
6.
Anybody else going up? I mean, we can make it fit.
Yeah. I think you gotta scan your room key.
Okay. Oh, we have a scanner.
Yeah. 6 is, yeah, you gotta scan your key. Did you say 5?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah.
There we go.
Thank you.
Sure thing. Y'all have a nice day. Ooh, that sure took a while. We are at the AC Hotel in Asheville, North Carolina, and we're already stopping. Going up?
Yes.
All right, all right. To 9?
Yes.
All right.
Thank you.
Sure thing. Yeah, this is not turning out well. These are extremely busy right now. Overall, I mean, the cabs, they're rather basic, if I'm being totally honest. There's the rear floors. There's our friend, Mr. Security Camera. And we're stopping at P4. Going down?
Going down. Lobby.
Sure thing. Nope. Thank you. No problem.
Just go up to 9. I think he is the elevator guy. See the Otis on his neck.